Within your Brightspace course, on the default homepage, you'll notice in the bottom left this visual table of contents widget. This widget is tied directly to the content portion of your course, meaning that any module you create within the course will automatically get a tile here within the widget, allowing you or your students to quickly navigate to the module from the homepage. Note, by default, Brightspace will automatically put an image of a landscape for each module, but you're able to customize this image and further visually differentiate each module. To do this, we can go into the module, and in this blank module, we can see here, add a description. When we click on it, it will open up a text box. We can put information in here orienting students within this module, what their learning outcomes are, anything they are expected to read or watch, as well as any activities they are assigned this week. We can also copy and paste any images in here, or add images through this Insert Stuff button, where we're able to upload directly from our computer. Any image that we put into this description area will then correspond to the widget. Also note, you can use more than one image within this description area, but it will only pick up the first image as the image on the visual table of contents on your course homepage.